Congratulations on being conditionally admitted to Mount Royal University. You can check the conditions that you need to meet in order to finalize your admission through your Future Student Portal account. To access the Future Student Portal, enter mru.ca/FSP into your browser. From the Future Student Portal page, click Login and enter your username and password. If you have any difficulty with your username or password, you can select Forgot Your Password to reset it. Once you have logged in, your name will be in the top right-hand corner. Clicking on your name will show you a variety of options related to your account. My Mailbox shows you any communication that you've received from MRU, including your conditional acceptance letter. And My Application Status shows you a history of all the applications you have submitted in past and current terms. Select My Application Status. Find the term and program to which you are conditionally admitted and click on View Doc Status to see the documents you have submitted and review any conditions that you still need to meet. The Documents section of this page shows all post-secondary and high school transcripts that we have already received or that are still outstanding. The Conditions section shows any conditions that you are required to meet to finalize your admission to this program. Make sure you finish strong and meet all of your conditions. If you have been conditionally admitted to more than one program, make sure you review the doc status for each program as conditions may differ. If you have any questions about your conditions, please click Contact Us in the top bar for ways you can connect with us, or consider registering for one of our information sessions and events. Click Events in the menu bar for a full listing. Please note that if you are a current student, you must reach out to academic advising if you require assistance with your application status or your next steps. Congratulations again, and we can't wait to see you on campus.